Hi guys, in this video I am going to introduce a stencil of a PCB. Using a stencil you can speed up your process and also it look more professional than soldering iron. So let's start it. This video is sponsored by jlcpcb.com. To order a stencil, go to jlcpcb.com and click on stencil and then click on quote now. Now upload your Gerber file, then save to your card and then check out securely. Or you can also order PCB and stencil together. When you are order your PCB, just check this box and then check out securely. After 7 to 10 days later, you will receive your package. Now time to start the process. So first place your PCB and check all pads are right in place. Now mark it and make a frame to hold the PCB before applying the paste. To make a frame you can use your extra PCB or you can use any hard cardboard. Now put your PCB in the frame and then lay over stencil on the PCB. Now put some soldering paste on the stencil. Guys, please double check your PCB that all the pads are matched with stencil. After checking, use a hard card or slide the paste over the stencil. Apply even pressure at all the points. After 2 or 3 strokes, check that all the area is covered properly. Now time to place your components. Here is a good tip that place all small components first and then large one. After placing all your components, Now set hot air gun temperature to 180 degree to 200 degree centigrade and set your airflow to minimum. Then apply to your PCB one by one component. When you are applying hot air to small component, hold the component with tweezer. Otherwise the component will displace. So that's it. If you like this video, please like and let me know what type of process you are using for soldering the SMD component. And also check jlzpcb.com. They are providing 10 PCB at only $2. So I will see you next video. Till then, bye bye.